Today, I have something truly extraordinary to share with you. I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of two magnificent townhomes inside of Eagle Trace, which is a subsection of Reunion Resort, Florida. As we're beginning our journey, we're currently soaring above Reunion Resort and witnessing its captivating beauty with 3 18-hole golf courses and an amazing water park. This resort epitomizes resort living at its finest. Now, for those looking to learn more about Reunion Resort, Florida, I have a video linked above and at the end of the video that will teach you everything you need to know about this hidden gem. Now, let's explore one of the highly coveted 3-bedroom units at Eagle Trace Reunion. This contemporary retreat boasts a spacious garage and is perfect for small families or those seeking a stylish vacation home. Step inside and you'll be greeted by an open concept living space adorned with elegant finishes and abundant natural light. Now, in my personal opinion, the Eagle Trace condos are some of my favorite in all of Reunion, and you're about to see why. Right as we walk in, you'll see the garage, which has been converted into a game room, and how they did this was so perfect because this is great for short-term rental, but easily reconverted into a garage if you want to park your car somewhere. Now let's go ahead and look at this elegant kitchen, and then explore the rest of the downstairs. Location-wise, this unit is in a beautiful spot, having a view of the Nicholas Golf Course as well as one of the shortest drive times to Disney in all of Reunion Resort. Now, you're probably sitting here asking yourself, what do units like this go for? So I'll tell you that this 3-bedroom one that we're in right now is currently listed for $489,000. There's one other 3-bedroom on the market right now for $499,000, and the last sold 3-bedroom was sold about a month ago for $488,000. Now it's time for us to go look at the 4-bedroom unit, and this is right next to the Nicholas Clubhouse, which is where you start the Nicholas Golf Course, as well as there's a restaurant inside of there and a few other things. One thing about these 4-bedroom units is they rarely ever come on the market. This is the only one on the market right now, and there has not been a sale listed on the MLS in a long time. This is listed for $640,000 for your information. One of the many fancy features that this townhome has is it actually has a drop-down screen on the patio. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My name is Camden Baboski and I'm a realtor with Waypoint Real Estate Group. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Central Florida area, make sure to reach out to me by email. Or if you know someone looking to buy, sell, or invest, make sure you send them my way and I'll help you guys find your way home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which of those 2 units was your favorite. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you guys.